Hey, what's up, everyone? Sunny here. Last week I posted a picture of a car all blacked out, one of one in US, and it finally got here. Little story behind the car. Um, I saw this car in this color about 8 months ago, and I was like, wow, I want it. It's an amazing color. But it was in Canada. Talked to the seller, but it was too much of a hassle to get it here. So I was like, not gonna happen. But this color was only specific to Canada. Only it was a special edition for a Canada market. Only six of these were produced in this color that went to Canada. So it was a pretty hard color to come by. So I was kind of bummed I missed out on the opportunity. So about a month or so ago, one popped up in Washington. I was like, okay, wow, here it's in U.S. So I jumped on the first opportunity to get this car. Most of y'all know me, I'm a BMW fan, so you can guess what it is. But I've been tracking this car. You know, found the previous owner of it, found some history on it. So it's a car that was previous owner took European delivery. So he flew to Europe to the BMW factory, took the delivery of it over there, then had it transported back to Canada, Vancouver. And the car is absolutely amazing. This color, when I saw it, I was like, I want it. It's somehow I'm gonna get my hands on it. Oh behold, I was able to get one. Originally, the buyer of this car, he ordered another individual color. And when this popped up as a special order, he requested BMW. It was like, hey, can I transfer some of my individual options to this car? BMW was only going to produce, one exterior color and mostly the same interior colors. So BMW agrees, like, hey, what? We'll transfer your individual options onto the car itself. So not only the exterior color is one off, the interior, all the options are pretty one off as well. And so, long story short, got my hands on it, been just waiting for this car to get here. It was a bit of a hassle to get it, Washington all the way to Atlanta. Hard to get transports, but yeah, it's here. It looks absolutely phenomenal. Fully loaded, every single option, you can you can get on this car, but it's this color is just it stands out. I haven't seen one in person, and that's why I wanted it. It's just the color what makes it different than everything else. I like buying one-off BMWs. I'm a big fan. Most of y'all know me, but I'll stop talking. I'll let you take a look at the car and let me know what you all think.